I am super excited for today. I booked a local pottery class workshop. I think we'll learn a lot about the culture, the history, and I even think we get to make some of our own pottery. I don't have an artistic bone in my body when it comes to stuff like this. This is definitely more up Alisia's alley,
I'm super excited.
but we'll see who has the better pottery.
Probably me.
Probably.
You have a reservation for workshop today.
Yes, at 11.
Hunter
Very good.
Yeah. And then if you want, yeah, apple tea, apple tea.
He hasn't even been at it for 10 minutes.
He makes it look so easy.
For 1,000 years then, turning this way.
Okay.
Okay? Press up, press push.
I know. Why do you have to tease us like that? Like this?
Yes.
Okay, how's it going on?
Oh, I'm a master.
Yeah. Super nice. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now. A little bit. Gonna go up.
Oh.
I was sitting.
You made mistake.
Okay.
Make a new one.
I pressed too hard. I made a mistake.
We can keep your product also this collection room.
Oh, good. I'm sure you're gonna want it. Do I need to?
Very nice.
Need to be more delicate.
Okay, you're learning.
Get in there.
Right now, using only this top of your fingers, okay?
Okay.
A little bit. Yeah. look the camera for a final photo.
Ah,
Yeah. Very nice.
Do it right there.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, wash your hands here.
Okay.
All right. How would I kick the wheel like?
okay.
You want to try?
Havaya oraya bak.
If you want step left, left step here, right one. Faster, faster. Okay, we need this 30 minutes for the returning this wheel.
Yeah, right.
Press.
Like this. Yeah. Very nice. Right now down and up. And up, yeah. When you start off the down, you're gonna go up. When you start off the top, you're gonna go down. Okay?
Okay.
Same time. With your first fingers, you're gonna doing this with both. Yeah, both.
Oh, real deep. Okay. Oh,
Nice.
this is sick. Thumb.
Okay.
This is tough.
Yeah.
This is really tough.
Yeah.
Press
Okay.
in. That is so awesome.
Wow.
Very nice, very nice. But hold it and then look the camera for a final photo. Show your teeth and smile. Bravo. This one is Hunter product.
Thank you. That was too much fun.
Yeah, I had so much fun.
And this workshop was saying that their pieces are all over Turkey. They're in the hotels, they're back in Istanbul. It's just amazing. Also, they told me that mine was better than Alisia's, so I can leave happy.
Loved it.
That pottery workshop was so cool.
It wasn't supposed to be a private tour, but it just so happened that we were the only ones there, so it pretty much was.
And that totally added to the experience. We got a lot of hands-on time, and the pottery master, who's been doing it for 32 years, didn't leave our side, which was so cool.
And to top it all off, it was only $10. We just found it through Viator.
Definitely a top recommendation if you're here in Cappadocia. But right now we are headed to a cave restaurant, which I've been wanting to try for quite a while. We just need to find it.
Follow me. This table.
We're literally in a cave right now. This is the best meal that we've had since we've been in Cappadocia. Something so random is somebody during my childhood told me that baklava originated in Russia. And that is not true. It originated here in Turkey. Okay? Okay.
I also didn't realize this is like the #1 restaurant to eat at in Cappadocia.
Oh.
We can see why. so much. Everything about that experience was a 10 out of 10.
Absolutely. I cannot get over how amazing the food was. I know we keep saying that, but like, this was amazing.
Also, our waiter was
So nice.
so nice. I think Turkey might be my favorite country so far.